Hey guys, so you can hear the cat meowing in the background and he's saying, I want to get into the room with the food in it. I'm actually cat sitting, he's not mine. But anyway, today we're going to talk about the past simple tense in English. So this is something that that was kind of confusing for my students that I just had. Not the past simple so much, but just using the 4 different forms of the past tense. So this is like the first form, and then I will talk about the other ones in other videos. So your past simple is going to be used to talk about things that happened one time. So I woke up this morning at 8. I wish I woke up at 8. That'd be a nice sleep in. Another thing that it can be used for is things that happen multiple times. So I walked to school every day when I lived in France. And then it can also be used for like polite expressions, like I hoped that you would help me with something. And there are a few other times it can be used, but generally it's kind of used for, like I said, things that happened once. I met you 2 years ago, or things that happened multiple times. And then there are more different ways that we can say these things in English, because English is kind of changeable and simple in that way, but it can get confusing. So always remember the past simple for things that you did once or things that you did more than once. Like what would you say? I ate Lucky Charms every morning for breakfast when I was 12. So I hope that is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.